What's going on, everybody? This is Chad. Welcome back to the Dorky and 40 channel. And today I want to talk about probably the best 34 bucks I've spent in the FPV hobby recently, besides that rapid fire goodness. So the first thing is this little nugget right here, and that's one of these SPEDIX one-way wrenches to get your props on and off. Man, this thing's like 13 bucks. It is just makes life so much better. I need to get a couple more of them because you know how things like this just kind of disappear and get lost in your bag. But they've got like a one-way bearing in there, so it's real simple and fast to get off your props. No matter if you got 5-inch, 3-inch, whatever, you can really get on there, crank them down, get them off real fast. If we take a look over here on the screen, you can see that you can pick them up from PureFlip for 13 bucks. Reminder, their new website's up, so you get a $10 coupon in Pure Points. So add some more stuff to the order, you get $50 free shipping, and Surge gets this stuff to you super fast. So the other thing I wanted to talk about is this. This is a Hotdog FPV strap, and I know some of you guys probably are like, well, this isn't, you know, very new or modern. I have this or some kind of iteration of it. But I've always just bought different fast shark straps, replacing, and you know, they get all stretched out here and your batteries start falling and they kind of like fall on your head, and you know, they just don't seem to fit right if you put like a hat on and everything like that. Well, these Hotdog FPV straps are just sweet because they're made out of this really awesome thick material, and they just are super grippy and super tight. This is a 3200 milliamp battery that's in there, and that thing is just not going anywhere. So you can get one of these you can get them at a lot of places. You can order one. I got this one here, which is pretty cool, that just has like the frequency chart already built onto it. You can get these over at Hotdog FPV, and we can take a look at them real quick. So Hotdog FPV's got them right here, goggle straps. You can go through and kind of pick out, you know, some pre-made designs they have. They also have some special custom ones at like Rotor Riot and some other FPV stores. But I've got the wide version, the V2, and then whenever you click on one, you can kind of select your width size. So I got the 2-inch, actually double wide, and they do have a happy medium. 2-inch does kind of clip on my ear a little bit, but you can kind of just put it up on the back of your head and you can still crank it down really good, so it's not going to bother you at all. And then when you're done with that, you can select what battery that you're actually going to be using, and I just did the standard 18650 case because that seems to fit like most of the batteries that are out there right now. So that's it. A lot of enjoyment and a lot of refinement and just making life a lot easier for 33 bucks plus shipping. So check the stuff out. Talk to you guys later.